a song.
Yeah, we're
and
live.
We told you that you need to let us know कि ये जो रूपांतर हमने किया है इसको यूज करके कौन सा इंग्लिश वाला गाना है.
Yeah, we come to the close of the first hour already, Faltwani. But the point is, आप एक और, why don't you give it once more? Why don't you give it to our
Okay,
once
so
more?
कान लगा के ध्यान से सुनिएगा.
Okay, listening.
हर सांस जो तू ले,
हर सांस जो तू ले,
हर आहट तेरी,
हर आहट तेरी,
हर जोड़ जो तू तोड़े,
हर जोड़ जो तू तोड़े,
हर कदम में मैं तुझे देखता हूँ.
हर कदम में मैं तुझे देखता हूँ. Wow. Okay.
हर कदम जो तू ले मैं तुझे देखता रहूंगा.
Okay. Okay.
हर एक दिन, हर शब्द जो तू कहे,
वाह.
हर खेल जो तू खेले, हर रात जो तू ठहरे, मैं तुझे देखता रहूंगा.
देखता रहूंगा.
मैं तुझे देखता रहूंगा.
देखता
मैं तुझे
रहूंगा.
देखता रहूंगा.
It is like the, what do you call that? One of those Sunil Shetty songs, right? Dhadkan songs.
So आपको कॉल करके बताया which English song is this that we have done the रूपांतर, and pay close attention. We have literally translated the English lyrics.
Yeah.
हर सांस जो तू ले, not mother-in-law सांस. Okay. हर आहट तेरी,
Not even tomato sauce. What?
हर जोड़ तू जो तू जोड़े,
हाँ.
तोड़े, sorry,
तोड़े.
हर जोड़ जो तू तोड़े, हर कदम जो तू ले, मैं तुझे देखता रहूंगा.
देखता रहूंगा. Number to call your 408912247 4089912247. वहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे भी नंबर डाल दिया हमने कि यहाँ पे कॉल करने का नंबर है 4089122479. ना बस अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत हिंट है इस गाने के बारे में and you want to know more, like, I don't know Altu Baba, but this could be this. Give us a call here. I will clarify it for you guys. मैं हूँ ना बुलजन. I am here for you. Faltwani.
कॉल करिएगा 40891122479
It
पे.
is going to be very difficult.
नहीं रे आल्टू, I think most people would know. Really?
Well,
हर सांस को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
mother-in-law.
अबे
हाँ.
मैंने बोला ना मदर-इन-लॉ नहीं है. मदर-इन-लॉ करके कोई गाना है क्या?
अरे नहीं ऐसी मदरली को गाना नहीं है, लेकिन all the देसी fellows know सास को, of course you got to keep them on your head.
So most people will not know this song. तू बोल रहा है आल्टू?
Yes, Faltwani.
तो ठीक है, क्या करना है? रिटायर कर दे, हॉल ऑफ फेम में डाल देते
I
हैं.
don't mind. Probably let us go play the song in the Hall of Fame and then get next one and the next easier one next time.
Okay.
हाँ. So what could be the song, Faltwani?
You want me to give out the answer?
Of course, yeah.
No, I'm not going to give out the answer.
Okay,
क्या?
Wow.
What? Are you
Wow.
serious?
Budujan, see,
Okay,
she's
this
not
is.
given.
Isn't this there in that movie Top Gun? Is it there in Top Gun? This
Top
particular
Gun में
song?
है क्या ये गाना? I don't know.
I think the song is there in the movie Top Gun.
Probably is there in Top Gun, but
Is
I
it?
don't know.
Is
Our
it?
bandhus are still wondering, like, what is the song? I don't know. We are still suffering with the shelter in place. What are you talking about? What people think?
Okay, Altu Baba.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you think they know or not?
I don't think they know.
They don't know?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I know that Urmilda is watching us on Facebook. Do you think he would know?
Will definitely not know.
He'll only watch. He won't call at all.
He
He's
won't
so
call.
scared to call.
He'll call only when it actually.
He'll
he's
call
got
and he'll say,
He'll
huh?
give when he'll call when he actually wants to give us a challenge.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when he has to, stop the chumps. Hey, yes, I'm gonna ask the tough question for Altu Faltu. That's why he'll call. Well, right now I don't think people know about this song, Faltu. I know you've done it beautifully, whatever it is. You're reading it very nicely, but still, it's going to be difficult.
What do you think?
But मैं तुम्हें देखता रहूंगा is the catch, okay? हर सांस जो तू ले, हर
आहट तेरी,
हर आहट तेरी,
हाँ.
हर जोड़ जो तू तोड़े, हर कदम मैं तुझे देखता रहूंगा. हर एक दिन, हर शब्द जो तू कहे, हर खेल तू खेले, हर रात तू ठहरे,
हाँ.
मैं तुझे देखता रहूंगा.
Correct.
So Faltwani,
हाँ.
I think we'll just play the song. We'll go into the top of the break because we got to get the break right now.
No, आल्टू बाबा तू कोई और गाना लगा. मेरे को ये गाना 100% मालूम है. लोगों को मालूम होना चाहिए. It's a beautiful song, Manajan. I'm going to give you. Actually, you know what? We can sing the Hindi version in that the tune. What do you think?
Faltwani, if you sing the tune, people automatically will know.
Really?
Yeah.
हर सांस जो तू ले, हर आहट तेरी, हर जोड़ जो तू तोड़े, हर कदम जो तू ले, मैं तुझे How does it go? I got confused.
ये confused हो
So
करती
it's
रहेगी
like that,
Bajan.
Madhuja.
But one thing I'll tell you, Bajan, this is more of a stalker song, and this is what is the thing. Whenever I think of a song, I think of Shulin Shetty actually performing for the song on screen. Okay, instead of just playing the song "Tum Dil Ki Dhadkan" mein, they should have had that song for
We
him.
will confuse you, Madhuja.
Yes.
धड़कन में रहते हो तुम रहते हो तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो मेरी इन सांसों से कहते हो बाहों में आ जाओ सपनों में खो जाओ तुम दिल की
If you love the music, the best music with the best entertainment, you know where it keeps getting hotter, and that's Radio D Hotties. And हाँ मैं आपकी फालतू रानी सुनते रहिएगा. There's more lovely music that we've lined up for you. Total D Hottie picks.
Hi, this is Ali Fazal and you're listening to Radio De Hotties, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
सारी सारी रात कर दियां पाड़िया रात कर दियां पाड़ी सारी सारी रात कर दियां पाड़िया सारी सारी रात कर दियां पाड़िया लग दियां कुड़ियां में हॉट नौड़ी सारी रात कर दियां पाड़िया लग दियां कुड़ियां में हॉट नाले नाले मुंडियां दे तोड़ दिया दिल डीसेंट मुंडियां दे तोड़ दिया दिल बेबी गर्ल लखां च बनाउंदी बेबी गर्ल लखां च बनाउंदी बेबी बिल हबीबी मेरी जानिया जान कट के गई हबीबी मेरी क्रेजिया देसिया मैनू लुट के गई हबीबी मेरी जानिया जान कट के गई हबीबी मेरी क्रेजिया देसिया मैनू छड़ के गई बेबी के लोहे जैसा बेबी का है दिल देसी जैसे दाल मखनी ब्यूटी गोरियां नु कर दिया किल सोने जैसे बाल बेबी के लोहे जैसा बेबी का है दिल देसी जैसे दाल मखनी ब्यूटी गोरियां नु कर दिया किल हबीबी मेरी जानिया हबीबी मेरी बेबिया डीसेंट मुंडियां दे तोड़ दिया दिल बेबी गर्ल लखां च बनाउंदी बेबी बिल डीसेंट मुंडियां दे तोड़ दिया दिल बेबी गर्ल लखां च बनाउंदी बेबी बिल हबीबी मेरी जानिया जान कट के गई हबीबी मेरी क्रेजिया देसिया मैनू लुट के गई हबीबी
Girls, 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 you know they wanna party all night. You know they wanna party till the sun comes up. You know they want it. Girls, 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 you know they wanna party all night. You know they wanna party till the sun comes up.
हर ओर मशहूर करे दुनिया का टूर तेरी स्टोरियां हक जाए सब चूर तेरी मस्ती खत्म नहीं होंदिया मैंने सुना है मुंबई दिल्ली दिया कुड़ियां रात भर नहीं सोंदिया
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Here is a bright and light wellness tip.
To feel bright and light when you wake up in the morning, start your day off with a glass of warm water as opposed to your coffee or chai. Hi, I'm Prajwala from Bright and Light Wellness.
That was Wellness Coach Prajwala. To learn more about how Bright and Light Wellness can help you reach your health goals, visit brightandlightwellness.com or call 408-982-7725. That's 408-982-7725.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bye-bye. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadid.
Assalamualaikum.
Sat Shri Akal.
Nikandari ki vandanamu.
Jai Swami Narayan.
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जिनेंद्र।
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजिए बदलों को बोले कि नीसा बुला बरजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं से फालतू बाबा।
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माई सेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम दैट्स गोना मेक इट टोटली एक्साइटिंग एंड टोटली मस्तानी बंधु जाने
That's right, but Jared, of course, आज है ठास पूस थर्सडेज।
यानी
आप
कि
सोच रहे होंगे ठास पूस का मतलब क्या है भाई? What are you talking about? What is this ठास पूस?
व्हाट इज थासपूस
वेल भाई हम लोग ना एक इंग्लिश सॉन्ग को लेते हैं जो बहुत पॉपुलर होता है
हाँ
एंड उस गाने को हम लोग
हिंदी रूपांतर
हिंदी रूपांतर करते हैं ताकि यू नो वी एक्चुअली बिकम द रोचक कोहलीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड नो तनिष बागची ऑफ द वर्ल्ड
यस
But we'll do it differently. We also can, we're going to be the Bapi Lahiris of the world also.
Okay.
Or for the matter, even Rajesh Roshan of the world.
Okay.
Rakesh Roshan of the world. Or could be even R.D. Burman. So we actually take a song and try to make it a Hindi version presenting it to you guys.
ओके
आपको अच्छा लगा या ना कैसा लगा सब आप यहाँ पे कॉल करके बोल सकते हैं
हाँ
तो यहाँ पे कॉल करने का नंबर है 4089122479 तो पिछले ओवर में we actually played a few songs we got right answers as well so Shikant tells us that you guys are already tuned to the English songs already मतलब आपको already पसंद है ऐसे गाने
हाँ
तो आगे बढ़ते हैं एक और गाना पेश करते हैं आप लोगों को let's see if you guys can actually identify what song it could be क्या बोलते हैं फातिमा
राइट आल्तो बाबा
now
एक गाना था जो वो पहचान नहीं पाए राइट दैट गॉट रिटायर्ड टू द हॉल ऑफ फेम
हाँ
हाँ
रिटायर हो गया
जो हमने बोला हर सांस जो तू ले हर आहट तेरी हर कदम जो तू ले हाँ मैं तुझे देखता रहूंगा
अच्छा I just think Ambati Fatani how about we just do a little bit of a mix up right now
ओके
थोड़ा ट्रेल मिस कर देते हैं इसको
हाँ
एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग व्हाट वी हमारे हिंदी गाने में भी काफी सारे अंग्रेजी वर्ड्स आते हैं
हाँ हाँ
हाँ
करेक्ट
तो why don't we present some of the English versions or English lyrics of Hindi गाने and see if our bandhus can identify those at least.
यानी कि these are not translated okay बंधुजान these are actual English bits in a Hindi song
Yes.
यानी कि ठासपूस मतलब वो ना वो anglicized वाले गाने हैं मतलब जहाँ पे they actually inserted a whole phrase or a whole paragraph or a whole like you know क्या कहते हैं एक अंतरा या एक मुखड़ा पूरा English में रहेगा right?
Yeah. So how about I do this Father? Let's start with this, okay?
Okay.
I will read out the prose format of it.
Okay.
My heart, it speaks 1,000 words.
हाँ.
I feel eternal bliss.
I I love this song.
The roses spout their scarlet mouths like offering a kiss. Fatwani?
Yeah.
No drop of rain, no glowing flame has ever been so pure. If being in love can feel this way, then I'm in love for sure.
आपको कॉल करना है 4089122479 पे. हेलो पैम पैम, कौन है जी?
अरे मैं उर्मिला बात कर रहा हूँ यार.
Urmilda,
अरे
great!
आप वो सॉन्ग को हॉल ऑफ फेम मत करो, उसको रिटायर मत करो.
क्यों?
अच्छा,
Every
बोलो.
breath you take, that's the song, okay?
गा के बताओ ना.
गा के सुनाना पड़ेगा सर, प्लीज.
Every breath you take, na na na.
Every
I've been
move
watching
you
you.
make.
That's the song.
Every step you take, I've been watching
Hey,
you.
don't put it on the Hall of Fame. I was busy doing something on the government website to get my check, so I was not able to call you. But don't.
Did you get
retire
your
that
check?
song,
Did you
okay?
get your check?
Did you get a check already?
Huh? No. But I just fill out the information to get the direct deposit into my account.
Okay, then you're going to give me the money, is it?
No, but I can send you the link. I can send you the link that you can put it on somewhere.
Okay, go send me the
Oh,
link
please
anyways.
do,
Yes,
please
dear.
do. We would love to see
Yeah.
how you can.
Do send it, sir.
Yeah,
We'll have to see how.
I'll put the link on my Facebook, and then I'll put it on you guys too, and then you guys can talk about it on the show. So that's good for people,
So
right?
why don't you message it to us, then you put it on Facebook?
Yeah.
No, giving you a hard time, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Whichever way you do it for sure. And Urmilda, you're 100% that was the song.
Thank you for identifying that song, because many bandus, I thought we would easily recognize that song, but they didn't.
Yeah, it's okay.
So-
They're busy on the website.
You know what? I have a quiz myself.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So let's see if you can identify this. Okay, this is also an English song.
Okay. Go on.
Okay, and then I'm not gonna give you a lot of words. Okay, so I'm just going to give you just two lines, and then I'm gonna translate it in Hindi, and I'm gonna ask you if you can recognize it. You should be able to recognize this.
शायद ना
Okay.
build up मत दो. जल्दी बोलो क्या है?
मेरा दिल धड़क रहा है और बार-बार
My heart is
मेरा दिल धड़क
beating,
रहा है.
keeps on repeating.
I'm crazy for you. कैसा रहा?
कैसा
Right
रहा,
now,
sir?
Before you complete the question, हमने आंसर कर दिया है. वही हमारे
क्या
स्पेशलिटी
कौन
है.
सा गाना है?
My heart
My
is
heart
beating.
is beating.
Oh, very good. You guys
Keeps on
are
beating.
awesome.
I know, of course. Thank you so much, sir. लेकिन आपने अभी ट्राई करते रहते हो. Very good. Keep trying, okay?
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Urmilda, for calling us. And जब भी आपको चेक मिल जाएगा, थोड़ा यहाँ पे भेज दीजिएगा या पार्टी दे दो, बस काफी है.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
And of course, there was Urmilda who actually guessed the right answer. Fatwani, that's very good, yeah. He got the answer.
हाँ.
But अभी के लिए मेरा आंसर तो नहीं आया, right? I gave a song of which had English lyrics in it, a Hindi song which has English lyrics
वो
in it.
डिले है ना, तो इस वजह से होएगा.
Okay, एक और बात सुनो बनुजान.
हाँ.
My heart it speaks 1,000 words. I feel eternal bliss. The roses spout their scarlet mouths like offering a kiss.
Kiss.
No drop of rain, no glowing flame has ever been so pure. If being in love can feel like this, then I'm in love for sure.
Should I give the music how it sounds?
Okay, fine.
My heart it beats 1,000 and eternal bliss. That's the way it goes, Manajan.
Very good, Father.
Which Hindi Gana has this whole bit in it?
Yeah, number to call here 408 912
2479.
जब तक ये ना बंदे लोग सोच साच के कॉल कर ले.
हाँ.
How about we do one more thing where we actually get ourselves, noticed on FB.
Absolutely, Manajan. We've got this whole big, beautiful list of Thaspoos wale gaane that we're going to play for you. So, what was the song that you actually said, Alto Baba? My heart, it speaks 1,000 words. My heart, it speaks 1,000 words. I feel eternal bliss. The roses spout their scarlet mantle like offering
Ring
a
a
kiss.
kiss.
No drop of rain, no glowing flame. Da, 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 da.
I feel in love with you like this.
I'm in
I'm in
love
love
for
for sure. कौन से हिंदी फिल्म में ये पूरा ऐसे ही अंग्रेजी वर्जन आया है? कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 पे। जब तक थोड़ा ये सुन के आइएगा बच्चा, दिस इज द Taspus we did of a Taspus song, or Hindi of a Taspus song Banjan, from the band called Police, in which there's the guy who's something like me.
Sting.
Yeah. No last names.
You do have a last name.
No, I don't.
Baba.
Baba. Yeah. Yeah.
Every breath you take,
Every move you make.
अरे हिंदी का लगा ना?
Huh?
every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, and every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you.
Yeah, बल्लेजान, मैं तुम्हें देखता रहूंगा।
Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. How a poor heart breaks with every step you take, every move you make.
बस 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 बहुत हो गया, फालतू नहीं, ठासपुस बहुत हो गया। हम लोग हमारे ठासपुस की बात करें ना, एक हिंदी गाने में अंग्रेजी बिट।
हमें बंदों को मालूम नहीं है क्या करे।
क्या?
या ये लोग नहीं सुनते यार। एक्चुअली एक हमारी है प्रिंसिपल, उन्होंने बोला कि मेरे बस के बाहर है।
आपके बस के बाहर है तो कार पे जाइए ना।
हाँ?
हाँ?
अपनी पहुंच के बाहर है।
ओह,
मैं देख रही हूँ अभी कितने हमारे बंधुस हैं जो जानते हैं कि नहीं जानते हैं। बाय द वे, नाइस टू सी यू जॉइनिंग आवर वॉच पार्टी। के वालिया जी, उन्होंने ऐसे हाय बोला।
हाय टू यू टू।
हाय टू यू टू। तो आपको कॉल करना है, बताना है विच सॉन्ग, हिंदी सॉन्ग, ओके, इट्स अ वेरी ऑथेंटिक डिहोटी हिंदी
अरे
song.
इट्स अ वेरी ऑथेंटिक सॉन्ग बिकॉज पूरा गाना जो है ना हिंदी में, शुद्ध हिंदी में लिखा है।
राइट।
AR रहमान कॉम्पोजिशन है, बस इतना ही, ये बिट ही एक जो है अंग्रेजी में है।
हाँ।
सुनो फिर से। The roses part, sorry. My heart it speaks 1,000 words. I feel eternal bliss. The roses spout their scarlet mouth like offering a kiss. No drop of rain, no glowing flame has ever been so pure. If being in love can feel like this, then I'm in love for sure. कौन से हिंदी, शुद्ध हिंदी गाने में ये इंग्लिश बिट आता है?
ये पूरा
सोचो।
बिट आता है, by the way.
So
We are not
true.
translating it. It's
Yeah.
actually the song. My heart it speaks 1,000 words. I feel eternal bliss. ऐसे it
इसको
goes like.
गाने का कीड़ा काट लिया हम। What
I
can
like
we
this
do?
portion. It's a
Promise.
very nice. It's an A.R. Rahman song. Big
Of
clue.
course, of
Big
course. But Paduja are wondering what's number to call.
हाँ.
If you're on Facebook, numbers right there. Here, देखो यहाँ पे, there, right there. Sorry,
हाँ.
right here. Here, this is the number to call. This one. This number to call, please. 408-912-2479. Father, what?
What? What are you doing, Alta Baba?
I was showing them where the number appears on the screen on Facebook, Fadrani.
हाँ.
That's it.
Oh.
Okay?
408-912-247. I don't know if they know the song, Alta Baba.
Yeah, I don't think so.
They may know that bit, but they'll be like, I know the song.
Hall
What
of
comes after
Fame.
that? What comes
Hall
after
of
that?
Fame, please.
Hall of Fame?
Yeah.
They kya?
Of course they do.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we're retiring this song into the Hall of Fame. I'm pretty sure our bandus like Megha, bandus like Vishal ji, Kheda Saad, Gigi ji, all these people should know these songs. I'm really, really surprised. And even Sweet Boy.
Yeah, he should definitely know the song.
He should definitely know this. What
know.
is this? I'm
Exactly.
so disappointed
Yes,
कि
yes.
इसको retire करना पड़ रहा है.
Well,
मुझे
इसको
retire-
गाया है उदित नारायण जी, अलका याग्निक and वसुंधरा दास.
Yes, that portion of that. My heart it speaks. That's sung by Vasundhara Das. So call करिएगा 408-912-2479 पे.
Well, फालतू में आती हुई retire
Hey,
to Hall of
what
Fame.
about Meenakshi Sharma?
Meenakshi Sharma, you should know about this Meenakshi Sharma. Why you don't know?
Yeah, and even
this song.
Ketki.
Yeah, Ketki, even you should know about this. Why even Anurag should know about it. All the way from Canada.
Canada. Anurav Rane, are you tuned in? And what about our Vidyasagar Amirapu?
Where are all these people? Come on, you
Yeah.
should know about these songs because they probably are busy with their thing because right now it's the Thursday, right?
Yeah.
They're getting up for a heavy
No,
weekend.
they are too. They're scared to call because you know what will happen? This particular song in that movie was not so popular. It was popular, but it wasn't like one of those hit songs because everybody will know
Yeah,
the
I
other.
thought that particular movie had all the hit songs, right?
Yes, yes.
Wait, let's think about it. that particular song from
But
Mitwa,
क्या सभी को बोल रहा है?
वो गाना नहीं था.
हाँ.
This particular bit doesn't come Mitwa, by the way.
It does. Hey, they'll know, right? Which way I said A.R. Rahman and Mithwa. You're like, what is wrong with
Okay,
you?
I didn't say Mitwa comes in many movies, dude.
नहीं.
Yeah.
No.
Mitwa is something come in many songs. I done a show based on that actually.
Really?
Yeah, one word having multiple songs.
Yeah. Oh, good one. We'll
What
do that.
of course, a good one. I did a long time ago, Faltu Rani. What is
Yeah.
this? Acha, but is that number to call again? It's 408-912. Faltu Rani, please, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, nee, people aren't able to guess it. Hall of Fame.
408-912-2479.
Yes.
आपको इस नंबर पे कॉल करना है और हमारे साथ यहाँ पे शामिल होना है. क्या है बंदू जान? I should change this to Thursdays.
This Thursday.
क्या?
Yes. दे दो क्या? गाना दे दो.
दे दे.
Baldajan, that is from the
You want to
movie.
play that bit?
I don't know where the bit comes from.
Yeah,
Please,
yeah.
you don't ask me to come play the expect. My God, Faltu Rani, your expectations are high, but you're not supposed to do anything, huh?
Do no?
What do?
Okay, fine, never mind. Okay, play कर दे. क्या बंदू जान इतना बड़ा क्लू दे दिया. टैक्स सीजन है. ये मूवी भी टैक्स पे है.
Yeah.
टैक्स है ना?
टैक्स ना भरने पे है.
हाँ हाँ क्रिकेट और टैक्स पे है.
क्रिकेट और टैक्स.
कौन सा पिक्चर है? सोच के देखो. कौन सा गाना हो सकता है उस पिक्चर में?
People are seeing stars
They are totally seeing stars. Obviously they're seeing us, no?
on Facebook. That's true.
तो कॉल करिएगा 4081912247.
Faltu Rani, I'm going to play the song. I can't hold on to it anymore.
You act like as if तेरे को लगी है.
हाँ लगी है. गाना लगाने का लगी है मेरे को.
चलो ठीक है लगा.
Baldajan, that's from a particular movie called Lagan. And of course, if you're wondering where the English bit comes from, it's somewhere in the middle of this particular song, Baldajan.
और छोरी मान भी ले बात मोरी, मैंने प्यार तुझसे है किया, हो तेरे बिन मैं जिया तो क्या जिया, हो तेरे नैनों में ये जो काजल है, सपनों का बादल है, मन तेरे ही कारण पागल है, ओ गोरिया
It speaks 1,000 words, I feel eternal bliss. The roses pout their scarlet mouths like offering a kiss. No drop of rain, no glowing flame has ever been so pure. If being in love can feel like this, then I'm in love for
बात छुपी आई है जवान पर, मोर दिल में कहीं एक तीर जो था आया है कमान पर।
सुन सुन रे सजन रही जन्म जन्म हम प्रेम नगर के पासी, थामे थामे हाथ रहे साथ साथ कभी दूरी हो न जरा सी। चलूं मैं संग संग तेरी राह में, बस तेरी
तेरा महका रंग दहका मुझे तू गुलाब सी लागे जो है ये निखार और ये सिंगार तो क्यों ना काम न जागे तेरा उजला उजला जो रूप है यौवन की धूप है छोरी छोरी
और छोरे दिल से निकले बोल मोरे मैंने प्यार तुझी से किया हाँ मैंने तुझको ही माना है पिया तूने थामा आज ये आंचल है मन में एक हलचल है मैं न भूलूंगी ये वो पल है
ओ गोरिया
And Banajan, that was the grand prize for you for the song. Patadi, कैसन लगा?
कैसन लगा? मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा. शुक्र है पैसा नहीं लगा तेरे को. मैं बजा डबल कॉल यार is again 408912279. आज हम लोग ठास पूछ थर्सडे कर रहे थे and we also say we'll do a mixed bag मतलब ट्रेल मिक्स थर्सडे जहाँ पे 2-3 चीजें मिक्स करके आपको पेश करने वाले हैं मतलब. तो आज ऑफ कोर्स आपने सुना था फर्स्ट आवर में पूरा वी हैड इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स का हिंदी रूपांतर एंड हिंदी सॉन्ग्स में इंग्लिश लिरिक्स जो है उसके बारे में हमने एक गाना क्वेश्चन दे दिया आप लोगों को. सो फाल्तनी हाउ अबाउट वी गो ऑन नेक्स्ट वन एंड ट्राई टू सी इफ आवर बंधुस कैन आइडेंटिफाई द हिंदी रूपांतर ऑफ इंग्लिश सॉन्ग. हाउ अबाउट दैट?
हिंदी रूपांतर of an English
of a
song.
Taspoo song.
हाँ.
What do you
okay.
have?
I'm gonna see if there is an easy song that I can give them.
Easy song? Why you want easy song,
क्योंकि
man?
उनको समझ में नहीं आता है रे बाल.
अरे you don't understand the power of a common bandhu, okay? Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Okay.
हम लोग वेट कर रहे फाल्तनी. I'm very patient.
I have a lot of songs, Altu Baba. I don't know
Fine,
which
just
song
pick
to
one.
pick.
Just close your eyes and pick one. This one, yes, that
Which
one.
one?
अरे बाबा, close your eyes and pick one. मैंने बताया.
Okay. ये देखते हैं. This is supposed to be like a song that every Hindi movie actually totally uthao-fired it and tried to like वो taxed it.
I know what you're gonna say.
Shamelessly they वो taxed this particular song.
Okay, fine. लगा.
हाँ.
हाँ.
तो ये गाना है कोई नए साल की सालगिरह नहीं मनाने को
हाँ.
कोई चॉकलेट से लिपटा कैंडी के दिल नहीं देने को
हाँ.
कोई बसंत ऋतु का पहला दिन नहीं कोई गाना नहीं गाने को
हाँ.
बल्कि है यहाँ एक और बस मामूली सा दिन
हाँ. मामूली सा दिल.
मामूली सा दिन कोई अप्रैल वाली बारिश नहीं
हाँ.
कोई फूलों का खिलना नहीं
हाँ.
जून के महीने में कोई शादी वाला शनिवार नहीं
अरे रे रे.
पर जो है वो सच्चा है
हाँ.
इन 3 लफ्जों से बुना हुआ जो मुझे तुमसे कहना है
मुझे तुमसे कहना है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
मैं बस पुकारा कहने को
मैंने बस पुकारा कहने को. हाँ.
मैंने बस पुकारा कहने को
हाँ.
तुमसे प्यार है
हाय 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 3 लफ्ज में तुमसे प्यार है. ओके.
मैंने बस पुकारा कहने को मुझे कितनी परवाह है
परवाह है. ओके.
मैंने बस पुकारा कहने को तुमसे प्यार है
हाँ. प्यार है.
ये कहता हूँ मेरे दिल के पाताल से
दिल के पाताल से आपके लिए बर्जन ये गाना आया था. तो आप बोलिए कौन सा गाना हो सकता है. एक और बात सुनिएगा आराम से. कोई नया साल की सालगिरह नहीं मनाने को कोई चॉकलेट से लिपटी हुई कैंडी के दिल नहीं देने को कोई बसंत ऋतु का पहला दिन नहीं कोई गाना नहीं गाने को बल्कि ये यहाँ एक और बस मामूली सा दिन कोई अप्रैल वाली बारिश नहीं कोई फूलों का खिलना नहीं जून का महीने का कोई शादी वाला शनिवार नहीं पर जो है वो सच है बंधुजन. इन 3 लफ्जों से बुना है जो मुझे तुमसे कहना है. 3 लफ्जों में बुना है जो मुझे तुमसे कहना है. मैंने बस पुकारा कहने को तुमसे प्यार है.
आय हाय।
मैंने बस पुकारा कहने को बस तुमसे प्यार है।
हाँ।
मैंने बस पुकारा कहने को तुमसे प्यार है, ये कहता हूँ मेरे दिल के पाताल से। पाताल ब्रजन, पाताल मतलब अंडरग्राउंड।
From the depths. तो आपको कॉल करना है. I don't think people will know. I'll tell you, the tune of the song was totally dhapofied and used in the movie मैंने प्यार किया. Now
कोई
you
नया
go-
साल का सागरा नहीं। Well, number to call your 408-912-779. Falsari.
slowly बता number.
408-912-447-9।
408-912-2479.
अगर आप फेसबुक पे तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा आपको नंबर डायल करने के लिए 408-912-2479. अगर आप हमारे ऐप पे है तो if you listen to us in the app, very simple, click on the button which is dial studio, it comes to directly. Well, if you're not on either of those things and listen to us on the radio, very well and good. Number to call again is 408-912-2479. Now, सोचो बलजन, what could be this thing? ये तो ये एक ऐसा फिल्म ने इसको लिया है and इसको ऐसा famous किया, people didn't even know. I don't know people knew whether it was actually when released, right?
हाँ.
I don't know if people knew it was a Dhapofied Gana.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think people knew that.
Really?
I think people didn't know. It really is not being heard on the mic, Fatwani.
Oh.
Really?
Somebody actually, I think, messaged the answer on Facebook. That's why I was trying to see who it
What?
was.
Somebody messaged the answer on Facebook?
हाँ जी.
कौन है जो मैसेज किया आंसर फेसबुक पे?
जो मैसेज किया.
Well, Aditi, you're kind of right. So you got to give us a call here.
408-912-2479.
Aditi, you're right. You use right words. What text?
Yeah.
Aditi, give us a call here on 408-912-2479. And एक और बार आपको आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेशर के लिए हिंदी में फालतूनी तू देगी क्या?
हाँ.
मैं दूं.
तू ही देना हाल तो बहुत अच्छा.
कोई नया साल की सालगिरह नहीं मनाने को, कोई चॉकलेट से लिपटी कैंडी की दिल नहीं, कैंडी के दिल नहीं देने को, कोई बसंत ऋतु का पहला दिन नहीं, कोई गाना नहीं गाने को, बल्कि है यहाँ एक और बस मामूली सा दिन, कोई अप्रैल वाली बारिश नहीं, कोई फूलों का खिलना नहीं, जून के महीने में कोई शादी वाला शनिवार नहीं, फिर है पर जो है वो सच है.
हाँ.
पर जो है वो सच है. इन तीन लफ्जों से
What?
इन तीन लफ्जों से बुना है जो मुझे तुमसे कहना है. इन तीन लफ्जों में बुना है जो तुम्हें कहना है. मैंने बस पुकारा कहने को तुमसे प्यार है. मैंने बस पुकारा कहने को मुझे तुमसे प्यार है. मैंने बस पुकारा मुझे कितनी परवाह है, कहने को मुझे कितनी परवाह है, और ये कहता हूँ मेरे दिल के पाताल से. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में. Who's this? Hello, hi. पैम पैम.
Ikram.
Who's this?
Ikram.
Vikram.
Ikram. I-K-R-A-M. Ikram.
Oh my, Ikram, how are you doing, sir? कैसे हैं आप?
I'm good, thanks.
So are you first time called to our show, Ikram?
Yeah, I'm first time caller.
पैम पैम बोल दीजिए इकरम साहब.
Pam Pam.
Very good. Ikram, where are you calling from? कौन से एरिया से कॉल कर रहे हैं?
I think, are you talking about the Stevie Wonder song, I Just Called to Say I Love You?
Well, we also would like to hear you say I love you, but the point is where are you calling from? Where are you calling from? कौन से एरिया से कॉल कर रहे हैं? हाँ.
I'm Richmond से.
Richmond से. Very good. So Ikram, I want you to sing the song. Can you sing the song for us, please?
No, I have a mask and everything on, you know, I really, it's a very beautiful song by Stevie Wonder. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say I care.
Oh, so sweet.
Wow,
He's
not
right.
bad at all.
He's
You're
right.
absolutely right.
And आपको मिलेगा इकरम साहब एक और नहीं पहली बार कॉल कर चुके हैं. आपको मिलेगा वेलकम गिफ्ट फॉर श्योर. एंड स्टे हेल्दी फॉर श्योर. आप मास्क वास्क पहने मुझे मालूम है, लेकिन फिर भी आपका आवाज अच्छा आ रहा है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ikram Saab, for calling in, and have a beautiful time. Hey, before you go,
हाँ.
are you there?
Yeah, he's there.
आप हमारा
Yeah,
शो
yeah.
कब से सुन रहे हैं? When have you been listening to us? Since when?
I've been listening almost like, I'll say, close to 2 years now.
2 years. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Are you liking it so far? Is it good?
Oh yeah, very good. Very good, really good show. I like the chemistry between both of you guys.
I know, it's
really
explosive.
yeah, nice.
It is explosive, yes. It's like, you hydrogen peroxide together.
Yeah, it's like we almost set each other on fire.
Yeah,
every time.
hydrogen and oxygen together, Yeah, and sulfur also together, put together, yeah. Hydrogen sulfide.
So, thank you so much for those kind words.
You're welcome, ma'am. You're welcome. Okay, thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you.
I will play
Stay
that song.
safe for sure. And yes, Balajan, see, he brought us very good point right now, Balajan. Let me remind you, it is still COVID shelter in place. Day 30 actually.
Day 30 today.
So yes, don't ever move out of the house without masks is what they're saying. If you want to, fine. Otherwise, you can just listen to radio and burn out all the calories and all the viruses so that.
Yeah.
Because this coronavirus can be beaten only by Canliva, Janliva viruses.
Acha.
Sorry, Canliva virus, not Janliva. Canliva virus to beat the Janliva virus, coronavirus.
Right.
That is us.
Yes,
Myself, Altu
Balajan.
Baba.
एंड माई सेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए जो आ जाते हैं हर शाम को एक ऐसे जलजला सा शो आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू कॉल लाइक टोटल हॉट बर्निंग शो called Pam Pam.
गर्मा गरम शो बोलो.
What is zalzala, by the way?
I don't know.
I like the word.
You like the word? I don't want to use the word because you like
Yesterday,
it.
no, that's
I
a
don't want to
word.
use the word because you like the word. Because that's what happens, when you actually like a word, means it has something other meaning to it.
No, man, I saw that Kimi Katkar has acted in a movie called Zalzala.
I told no, something is there behind you. You like all cheap comedy and
No,
cheap
I
thrills.
don't. What?
Yeah.
Nonsense fellow.
What?
कुछ भी बोलेगा.
Huh.
Anyway, so he identified
Wait, somebody is saying that on Facebook we got a message, it's day 31, but who's counting exactly?
Excuse me, who said day 30? It is not day 31, it's day 30.
Oh my God, Father, it's okay, I get it.
It's day 30.
It is our Urmilda saying that who's counting?
Sir, you don't want to argue with us. Let me tell you that. Seriously, I'm not kidding.
When you come here to studio, we'll count with you, sir.
March 16th.
Hello, it's okay, fine. Forget
No,
it.
seriously, it's
Tuesday
30 days.
Tuesday, yeah, Tuesday, it's fine. I good. You're right.
Yeah.
It's 28 and last Tuesday, and then it was.
Yeah.
Urmilda, when you come in next time, he's asking who's counting. So don't worry, we count for you. And yes, everybody is counting and counted. Actually, I hope you all got counted, Balajan, because the census was actually out, and I hope you filled up your forms and everything. Hey, is there people who actually, if somebody has missed filling the census forms, can they go back and do it again?
Yes, they can.
Can?
Of course, yeah.
Balajan, so don't miss out. If at all you have not done it, go do it right now, okay? Get more information. Right now, what happened, Faltoni? You're seeing Puri being fried?
One of our bandhu, Shelly Arora ji, has actually also posted on Facebook, yeah? Good, yeah?
What is she saying?
Why can't I see her comments real time? I don't know why. Shell, she says, I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I
तेरा कीड़ा निकल गया तेरा?
मेरे को बहुत पसंद है गाना. Seriously, no New Year's Day.
Okay.
गाना लगाएगा कि अच्छा इसको you're right Aditi, this was war taxed.
Okay, Faltrani, I have a song which all our bandhus will love it, and of course our Urmilda, you must know the song for sure.
Oh really?
Okay.
Okay.
Lal Lal Madira.
Urmilda, this is specifically for you. It is also for all the wine lovers.
Yes, all the wine lovers. Lal Lal Madira jata mere sar ko. लाल लाल बजरा जाता मेरे सर को मुझे भुला देता है कि मुझे उसकी कितनी जरूरत है लाल लाल बजरा जाता मेरे सर को मुझे भुला देता है कि मुझे उसकी कितनी जरूरत है लाल लाल सब तेरे ऊपर जो मैं कर सकता हूँ क्या याद नहीं जा रही
आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479 पे अगेन 408-912-2479 इस नंबर पे कॉल करिएगा बच्चन जल्दी कॉल करने का.
यस 408-912-2479 जब तक आप यहाँ पे एक और बार बोलते फालतू नहीं लिस्टिंग प्लेजर फॉर ऑल द लाल मदिरा फैंस.
Yes, for the listening pleasure of all the Lal Madira fans, here is
लाल लाल मदिरा जाता मेरे सर को मुझे बुला देता है कि मुझे उसकी कितनी जरूरत है लाल लाल सब तेरे ऊपर सब तेरे ऊपर जो मैं कर सकता हूँ क्या याद नहीं जा रही
Oh God.
लाल लाल मदिरा
408-912-2479.
हेलो नमस्कार आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में who's this? Hello.
You guys are such genius people, you know that, right?
Oh, thank you. अगर आप बोले तो हम पता नहीं चलता आपको. We would never know that. हाँ बताओ गाना बताओ.
तो गाना है रेड रेड वाइन.
Then
That's it, right? That's the song. Red, red wine. I just don't know the words after that, but that's the song.
Goes to my head, makes
There
me
you go.
forget that I still need her soul.
See, आपने मेरा नाम बोला तो फिर मेरे को कॉल तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
ऐसे ही हम आपको ललकारते रहते हैं.
और अभी जब भी कॉल कर ही दिया है तो मैं बता रहा हूँ
हाँ.
कि ट्यूसडे टू ट्यूसडे 7 दिन नहीं होते, ट्यूसडे टू मंडे 7 दिन होते हैं.
अरे सर ट्यूसडे 7 दिन या 8 दिन, आज जब आओगे बाद में गिनती करेगी. डोंट वरी, विल हैव एन ऑम्बड्समैन इन बिटवीन. मुझे
मंडे टू संडे बोलो ना, मंडे टू संडे 7 दिन होते
अरे
हैं ना.
मंडे टू संडे
Excuse
सर
me.
एक ही चीज आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. अब बोल क्या बोल रही थी?
excuse me,
हाँ.
Shelton Place. Hello, sir.
अच्छा एक मिनट तो बोल दे जल्दी.
Well, it didn't go into effect as of Tuesday.
फालतू रानी, I'll tell you one thing.
It did-
फालतू में फालतू रानी. मैं सॉरी उर्मिला, आप एक चीज याद रखो. मंडे टू संडे रोज खाओ अंडे बस. प्रोटीन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. और कुछ
मंडे
याद?
टू संडे इज 7 days.
अरे
So
मंडे
it's
टू संडे
Tuesday to Monday, okay?
मंडे टू संडे रोज खाओ अंडे, बस उतना ही. ओके, आप टेंशन मत लो
Okay,
यार.
okay, ठीक है भाई. I am not gonna argue with you.
अरे
I
कुछ भी हो
always
जाए,
lose, okay? You guys always win,
कुछ भी हो
okay?
जाए, we love you.
Yes,
Urmila.
yes, we do.
We love you too. Okay, okay, fine.
Thank you, Urmila. And of course, Bachchan, there you go. And Aditi is saying, oh, that's hilarious. What hilarious? It's a very romantic song, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll listen to a song. We'll come back right now. Faltoni ready to get, noticed on Facebook.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
a bit of the
here-
song.
Yeah.
Go on. What are you saying, Faltoni?
Here's a lovely number, Banjan. In Hindi, they made such a chittar thing of the song and they made it like Aate Jaate. But please, let's listen to the original, the one and only, the Stevie Wonder. Beginning se dalna.
Oh my God, Faltoni, really seriously from the beginning?
Yes.
Okay, well then here you go.
Kya? Lagana Altu. Thank you. Enjoy, Binajan. This is I Just Called to Say I Love You.
No New Year's Day
To celebrate.
no chocolate covered candy hearts to give away, no first of spring, no song to sing. In fact, here's just another ordinary day. No April rain, no flowers bloom.
All right, Bachchan, we have
The
a caller.
wedding Saturday within the month of June.
हो गया तेरा? नमस्कार, पैम पैम आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who's this? Hello?
Pam, sorry, it's Ikram again, sir.
हाँ इकरम साहब, कैसे हैं सर?
बढ़िया बढ़िया सर. मैं सॉरी आपको एक सजेशन करनी थी, अगर आप थोड़ा इसके बारे में ख्याल करें.
अरे जरूर सर, जरूर बताइए सर.
तो जैसे अपनी कई इंडियन मूवीज है that were like way ahead of their time, like 20 years ahead of time, but they flopped that time.
Yeah.
So would you do like kind of a show like just की कौन सी movies थी जो those were like way ahead of their time?
Yes.
जैसे like लम्हे थी that came like 20 years ago and it flopped. अगर आ जाती तो वो कैसी होती, और same like सिलसिला.
Very
So
nice.
those were like those concepts were way ahead of their times.
करेक्ट. स्टोरीज हाँ सर, आपने बताया आपका हुक्म सराओं के ऊपर.
हाँ.
वी विल अनाउंस अ पर्टिकुलर शो फॉर यू, फॉर श्योर यू विल नो मोर अबाउट इट सर. ठीक है, आप सैटरडे को सुनो, बिकॉज़ सैटरडे बेरिया बकबक पे करेंगे उसको 5 बजे.
हाँ, बेरिया बकबक पे करेंगे सर.
Yeah,
सैटरडे को
come on.
5 बजे.
Okay, thank you very much. I
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Thank
So
you.
sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank
of course,
you.
Bachchan, देखा वही होता है. We actually are sharing with you guys right now the information of the movies. He asked us to actually share information about movies that actually are way ahead of their time when they were made. Right? वैसे तो बहुत सारी movies हैं वहाँ पे which actually are way ahead of the time. In fact, there's some movies right now currently made that are way ahead of their time also. And we'll talk about that. Faltoni,
हाँ.
अगला गाना कौन सा था? Or you want the same song again? Okay,
You didn't
fine.
even play the what do you call? You didn't
Okay.
even play the mukhra.
Okay, fine. Ruti काय को है?
I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of No summer's high, no warm July, no harvest moon to light one tender August night, no autumn breeze, no falling leaves, not even time for birds to fly to southern sky, no Libra sun, no Halloween, no giving thanks to all the Christmas joy you bring. But what it is so awesome to fill your heart like no three words could ever do. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart.
Of course, फातवाड़े very good. बहुत खुश हो गया, बहुत खुश हो गया मैं. फातवाड़ी,
Yeah.
अगला गाना दिया जाए.
अगला गाना. Okay. अच्छा, I'm gonna give a very very easy गाना बजान. इसमें मैं लिरिक्स पूरा नहीं दूंगी, बस अंतरा दूंगी.
Very good.
I mean मुखड़ा दूंगी.
हाँ.
Okay? मैं बुरा हूँ क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं बुरा हूँ
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ.
मैं बुरा हूँ.
मैं बुरा हूँ
मैं बुरा हूँ.
क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ.
मैं बुरा हूँ क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं बुरा हूँ. मरजान, ये कौन सी फिल्म कौन से गाने का है? ये रूपांतर कॉल कीजिएगा ऑन टास्क पूछ थर्सडे. एंड एक्चुअली फादर एक और बार फॉर पीपल इज गॉट कंफ्यूज बिट, एक और बार बोल दो प्लीज.
मैं बुरा हूँ क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ. मैं बुरा हूँ मैं क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ. मैं बुरा हूँ क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ.
Yeah.
Call me and tell me what English song is it. I've just given you the chorus of the particular song, because the rest of it you will not understand.
Yeah.
Because the way he sings it,
We can't do it in Hindi also, by the
we
way.
can't do it in Hindi. It's very very hard. We're gonna like go into so
That
much
actually
detail.
is total task push.
Yeah, it's total Thaspus.
Yeah.
And it's Thaspus taken to the next level.
Yes.
So, we just giving you the chorus of the song. मैं बुरा हूँ क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ. मैं बुरा हूँ, मैं बुरा हूँ. In the meanwhile, what song is it, Alto Baba?
Lal Lal Madira. God, such a nice thing. I'm telling you, man, seriously, we should actually make this cover song with Hindi version on it.
Huh.
Hindi version on it.
Yeah.
What? It's nice.
Yeah. I
Come
know.
on.
Yeah.
Yeah. And of course, आज का ठास पुस हज़े में हम लोग आपको और एक दो गाना पेश कर सकते हैं.
हाँ.
तो फाल्गुनी, what do you have?
अगर आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि वो गाना कौन सा है?
मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा.
हाँ, but that is the chorus of the song.
तू जानता है मैं बुरा हूँ.
Huh?
You know, तू जानता मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा. तू जानता है मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा, मैं बुरा.
आपको कॉल करना है, बता रहा है ये गाना कौन सा है.
Yes.
408-912-2479. The only showman of
Oh,
all
thank you.
time.
Please, don't say about me.
legendary
मेरे
showman
सामने मत
of
बोल
all
ऐसा. मेरे सामने यार, मेरे बारे में ऐसा मत बोल.
तेरे बारे में नहीं बोल रही हूँ.
तू कुछ शोमैन की
तेरे
बात
बारे
कर.
में नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं.
What?
तेरे बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं बोल रही हूँ. I'm talking about
Excuse
the
me.
legendary showman
अच्छा, ऐसा clarity
who
दो.
has influenced almost every musician on earth.
That's true. That's
That
true.
person is whom I'm talking about. Who has influenced even people like Bruno Mars, people like, so many stars that have come after.
Yeah, exactly. So I agree with
Yeah.
you.
So you're gonna call us and tell us who is this person that we're talking about.
Who is it? Da, da.
That's also his song.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I give a hint, Faltoni. That's how I do it, Faltoni.
Remember the time.
Remember the
Baduja?
singer, but that was a song, by the way.
Yeah, that was also his song, by the way.
Yeah.
Yes,
so
yes,
I
yes.
influenced Faltoni in many ways, by the way.
You influencer? What nonsense?
Didn't you just not do whatever I did again? It's okay. I think of it as the flattery,
So, Bandujan,
Imi-
looks like you guys are give up modifying.
Very good.
Do you not know the song? No posting on Facebook. I'm not taking answers on Facebook. You
Why?
gotta call.
Why?
Look at the number.
On Facebook,
This number
right there.
right there.
408
408-912-2479. That is the number I'm talking about. 408-912-2479. आपको कॉल करके बताना है कि ये आंसर क्या है. मैं बुरा हूँ.
तू
जानता है.
मैं बुरा हूँ.
हाँ,
तू जानता है मैं बुरा हूँ.
क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ.
क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ.
एग्जैक्टली. इस नंबर पे कॉल करिएगा 408-912-2479. How many of you know what song it is? Ta-da, 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 ta-da.
Well, Banjan, जब तक आप सोच आज के पे कॉल कर ले, आपको तो इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देते हैं हम लोग, Banjan.
हाँ.
This is a production of Radio D-Hotties, Banjan, airing live and local on Radio Mirchi 13:10 a.m. and also 92.9 FM. And yes, we are a production which comes to you guys every Monday through Sunday. 5 से लेके all the way until 7 and sometimes on the weekend until 8 o'clock, Banjan. So, and we have a morning show also called Good Morning Bay. It comes in at 9 o'clock in the morning. 9 to 10 आपके लिए आएगा. News updates आपको देते हैं उसको on that thing. And we also have a only teenage show which called as Thank God Fresh comes to you on Fridays. वो आता है आपको 7 से लेके 8 बजे तक. और उससे पहले आता है अनमोल लग्मे. महिमा के अनमोल लग्मे जहाँ पे we actually feature some of the rare gems of our Indian industry. पर जैसे कि हमारे इकरम साहब ने कॉल किया था and talking about how special information he wanted to know about some songs, some movies ahead of its time. And then we also have artists who are way ahead of their times as well, so we focus on them as well. Also, we focus on people who have gotten lost in this particular stream of time, and we bring them back to you guys on Mahima's Anmol Lagme. Tune sunna na bhuliega, same time, 6 o'clock it starts off tomorrow. Friday, right? It's been on for quite some time right now. It starts off, it goes on air live around that time. And Saturday को आता है Beria Buck Buck, which is 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
And उसके साथ में, right, following the particular Beria Buck Buck, we have Geet Gata Chal, the first ever karaoke show to go on air. I kid you not, Banjan, first ever karaoke show to go on air around the world, Banjan. And this is the only show which actually goes online as well. So if you want to enjoy the wonderful singers singing from their favorite beautiful karaoke covers, you can tune into our show on Saturday at 6 p.m. to Geet Gata Chal. And also alternate weekends, we do have extended versions of Geet Gata which goes on air, online on our Facebook as well. So for that, you got to go to Facebook and register, or rather subscribe to our page called GGC Radio. It's again GGC Radio on Facebook. And Sunday ke din, Balajan, is going to be very interesting because Sunday ke din we actually have a regional bonanza for you guys. Starting from Tamil Darbar, we go to Srikanth Daguri's Kannada show, and also we end up with the Telugu Sunday Sandadi, which is all of them are the first ever regional shows to air in here in the Bay Area, Balajan. And thank you all for having the patience and listening to us for so many years and so many, I should say, even today for the matter, tuning in and listening to us. So, Faltani, you have any going away questions or going away suggestions for our bandhus before we leave?
Well, I don't think they know the song, Altu Baba.
That's fine. It's not that they have to know the song. We can leave it as a Facebook thing and go.
Okay. There is another song which I would like to leave with.
Oh, okay.
And I want to ask you if you know the song.
You asking me? Faltani, okay, fine. Come on, you really, na? Okay.
क्योंकि मैं खुश हूँ.
Uh-huh.
ताली बजाओ.
Because I'm happy.
You feel like a roof without a roof.
Happy?
Because I'm happy. That's right. We're gonna leave everybody on that happy note.
Oh, that song up here now?
I don't mind. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Whatever
no,
you
we
prefer.
play happy song, right? So what? Yeah.
Actually, Vidyasagar Aminapuji, I think, gave us the answer.
Oh, did he? Okay.
I think he gave us the answer on Facebook.
Okay, so Banujan, so we got this answer for the Main Bura Hoon, which actually is I Am Bad from the album Bad by Michael Jackson.
Yes, you are really bad, Altu Baba. Yeah,
I know I'm bad, okay?
Okay.
I know I'm bad. Okay, but anyway, no matter what happens, I'm always happy, as you guys know about it.
Yes.
So, ending this particular show with a beautiful song called Happy Song by Pharrell Williams.
Which was also featured in one of my favorite movies, Despicable Me 2.
Yeah, that you are too, yeah.
Hey!
That you are.
I'm a minion, yes. You're a minion.
You're despicable.
You're
yes.
Guru.
I am Guru, yes. And एक हिस्सा बोलेंगे हम लोग बन जाए गुड नाइट शब्बा द खैर एंड एक प्यार भरा